Hi friends, I was eating this, but it's over. What to do with this? Idea! Let's make a balance scale. We will need Kinder Joy case, binder clips, some wool and wooden sticks. We will draw 3 dots like this. Make holes on the markings. Tie a knot on the woolen thread. Attach to the case as shown. Tie knots. Attach the binder clips to the wooden sticks. Like this. Now attach the case to the binder clips. Balance scale is ready. Now let's put some coins. Now they are equal. Even you can make this balance scale at your home and enjoy fun learn. Bye bye. See you until next time.